Hello little learners. Today we will learn about farm animals. Farm animals are the animals that live on a farm. They help farmers and give us many useful things. Let's meet some of them now. 1. Horse. A horse is a big and strong animal. It has 4 legs and no hands. A baby horse is called a foal. It lives in a stable. It says neigh. Horses help in riding and pulling carts. 2. Cow. A cow is a gentle and calm animal. It has 4 legs and gives us milk. Its baby is called a calf. Cows live in a shed. It says moo moo. They eat grass and hay. 3. Sheep. A sheep has soft and fluffy wool. It has 4 legs and eats grass. Its baby is called a lamb. Sheep live in a pen. It says ba ba. We get wool from sheep. 4. Goat. A goat is a small farm animal. It has 4 legs and loves to jump. Its baby is called a kid. Goats live in a shed. It says mama. Goats give us milk. 5. Rabbit. A rabbit is a cute and small animal. It has 4 legs and long ears. Its baby is called a kit or bunny. Rabbits live in burrows. It makes a soft grunting sound. Rabbits love to eat carrots and grass. 6. Chicken. A chicken is a common farm bird. It has 2 legs and 2 wings. Its baby is called a chick. Chickens live in a coop. It says cluck cluck. Chickens give us eggs. 7. Pig. A pig is a chubby farm animal. It has 4 legs and a curly tail. Its baby is called a piglet. Pigs live in a pigsty. It says oink oink. They like to roll in mud to stay cool. 8. Turkey. A turkey is a big bird with feathers. It has 2 legs and a red neck wattle. Its baby is called a poult. Turkeys live in pens. It says gobble gobble. Turkeys are found on many farms. 9. Goose. A goose is a large water bird. It has 2 legs and webbed feet. Its baby is called a gosling. Geese live near ponds or in backyards. It says honk honk. Geese can swim and fly. 10. Duck. A duck is a small water bird. It has 2 legs, webbed feet, and a flat beak. Its baby is called a duckling. Ducks live near ponds. It says quack quack. Ducks love to swim and play in water.